What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone Air battery is draining quickly. Most of these changes will be made on your iPhone settings app. But before we open it, I suggest closing all apps that are still running in the background. Swipe up from the bottom of your home screen to open the app switcher. Then swipe up on each app card to close the app completely. Do this regularly if you're using heavier apps such as iMovie, Facebook or a photo editor. Next, open up your settings and head over to the battery section. While charging, you can see if you're using a slow or fast charger and how long it will take to fully charge your device. Below, you can preview how much battery percentage your apps are using up. Under View All Battery Usage, you can see even more detailed information about your usage. This might give you some insight on why your battery is draining quicker than expected. Back in your battery settings, you can inspect your current battery health and the maximum capacity. Under Charging, make sure Optimized Battery Charging is enabled, and under Power Mode, enable Adaptive Power. To extend your battery life, you can use Low Power Mode, even if your battery percentage is higher than 20%. This will disable some background tasks, reduce your display's refresh rate, and limit 5G and iCloud syncing. This will prevent your battery from draining quickly, but it might not be suited for you, depending if you need 5G for example. After verifying your battery settings, head back and navigate to Display and Brightness. Here, reduce your screen brightness a bit. This can have a lot of impact on your battery life. True Tone can also help maintain battery life by adapting your display based on ambient light conditions. You can access the same settings from your control center. Simply swipe down from the top right of your screen. Next, head back to your main settings and tap on General. Then, tap Software Update. Here, make sure you're running the latest iOS version. If there's an update available, simply select to download and install it. When this is done, you should prevent apps that you don't need from accessing your location from running in the background or from using your cellular connection. In your main settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security, and then Location Services. Here, you can see a list of apps that request location access. Turn off location access for apps that don't need it, or set it to while using instead of always. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.